Hi guys, welcome to this system here. You may or may have seen the video that I just made. I'll just navigate to it later on. This is the ISO that we've built ourselves. So ArcoLinuxB.com explains you how to create an ArcoNet, an Arco Plasma, an Arco Pro, and add software to it if you like. There are 4,000 packages on Chaotic KOR, there are thousands packages on ArcoLinux and on ArcoLinux repos, so add things to it, remove things from it, build it, and that's what we've done with this video. And let's go to navigate to the ArcoLinux YouTube. So we go to YouTube, that's one thing. Find ArcoLinux, accept all the rubbish that you get. And then ArcoLinux. Let's see if we find something with a number. This is my face. That's always a good number. Well, link. And the last one I've made was installation left WM, and here Dusk. So just want to show you that everything works fine on Dusk. And this is the reference 4152 and 4151. We had an issue, and the issue is full screen, and yes, we can go full screen. Super F is working, and Super Shift Enter, and Super Control T, and I don't know, Super Q, and Super Shift Q, and Super D, and Super Shift D, Super Shift X, and Super X. Those are the most important things. Let me get rid of that. Super X, right? So all of the key bindings, the normal key bindings that you normally use, are working. Ctrl-Alt F is working, and Ctrl-Alt V, Vivaldi or Chrome and Chromium, you just select the things you'd like. So this is Dusk, the new code that I just put it in. So it's new from July edition, so to speak. The date, you can't see the date up there, but yes, we are today. Can we type date or something? Voila, date. Simple, right? Why need a tool up there that says what the date is? Just type it in. There we go. So this is Dusk. Have a look at it. It's quite interesting. It's DWM. It's daunting. It's one of the most difficult ones. Why is it difficult? It's actually not. Well, it's something you build, right? It's a make and a sudo make install, and it's all happening in this one, not in that one. That needs to go. If you go change the C++ code here that's in here and go change some things, it will have an effect, but only if you build it. It's not that it gets read or launched, or it's not a configuration, it's more of a make. Maybe first make clean. Voila. And then a make and a sudo make install. So it's different. It reacts on another level, and a Super Shift R is going to reload it. We've now built it, and now we're reloading it, or log out, log in, reboot, and you are actually having a different Dusk, and that's the app, and the app gets written somewhere. You see, those things get moved. It's an executable, and it's not that big. Can you see how big it is? Under here, 410 kilobytes. That's Dusk, right? That's DWM, that's ChatWM. That is so, well, fast. Have a look. C++, what it's all about. But it's so stable, has been stable for me on ChatWM for 1.5 years by now, right? So yeah, all is well with Dusk. That's what I wanted to show you as well. Go learn about it if you're up to it. It's a tiling window manager. Not everybody likes tiling window managers, but right, it's there if you want it, if you need it. Cheers.